In a small village nestled between golden fields and whispering forests, lived a poor farmer named Harish and his young son, Arjun. Harish toiled day and night, but the land was harsh and their harvests were meager. Despite their struggles, Arjun remained hopeful, dreaming of a better life. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a mysterious figure cloaked in dark robes entered the village. His eyes gleamed with an otherworldly light, and the villagers whispered in fear, "Judugar, the magician." The Judugar was no ordinary sorcerer. He wielded dark magic, twisting fate to his will. He offered miracles, riches, power, eternal youth, but at a terrible price. Many had taken his deals, only to vanish or turn into shadows of themselves. Arjun, desperate to help his ailing father, approached the Judugar one night. "Great magician," he pleaded, "my father works himself to the bone. Grant me the power to change our fate." The Judugar smiled, revealing sharp teeth. "What will you give in return, boy?" Arjun hesitated. "I have nothing." The sorcerer chuckled. "Not now, but in 10 years I shall return. For your soul." Arjun's heart pounded, his soul. Yet the image of his father's weary face flashed before him. With a trembling voice he agreed. The next morning the fields bloomed with golden wheat. Their well overflowed with clear water. Harish, overjoyed, embraced his son. "A miracle!" he cried. But as days passed, Arjun noticed something strange. The villagers avoided him. Whispers followed him. He made a deal with darkness. His father, though healthy, grew distant, sensing the unnatural change. Years flew by. The village prospered, but Arjun's heart grew heavy. The Judugar's promise loomed over him like a storm. The final day. On the eve of the 10th year, Arjun sat by the fire, tears in his eyes. His father, now old and wise, placed a hand on his shoulder. "Son, I always knew something was wrong. Tell me the truth." Arjun broke down. "I sold my soul for our happiness. Tomorrow he comes for me." Harish's face hardened. No, a father's love is stronger than any magic. The battle of wills. At midnight, the Judugar appeared, his shadow swallowing the moonlight. Time to pay your debt, boy." But before he could seize Arjun, Harish stepped forward. "Take me instead." The Judugar laughed. "Foolish old man, what use is your worn-out soul?" Harish smiled. "Because a soul filled with love is worth more than all the magic in the world." A blinding light erupted from Harish's chest, pure, selfless love. The Judugar shrieked as his dark magic shattered. "Number. This cannot be." With a final scream, the sorcerer vanished, his curse broken. The true miracle. The next morning, the village awoke to find the fields still golden. The well still full, but now the magic was pure. Born from sacrifice, not greed. Arjun wept, holding his father. "You saved me." Harish smiled. "No, my son. You saved yourself." True power lies not in magic, but in love and truth. Moral of the story. Greed leads to ruin. Arjun's desperation blinded him to the cost of his wish. Love conquers all. A father's sacrifice was stronger than dark magic. True wealth is honesty. Real happiness comes from truth, not shortcuts. And so the village thrived, not by magic, but by the bonds of family and the courage to face consequences.